Do you need HVAC repair in Apex? Then you may have found your heating and air conditioning service provider, Alternative Air. They are fully licensed and insured with over 35 years of combined experience. They are open from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday, and have emergency repair services available. They accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. Services that Alternative Air offers include air conditioning repair service, heating repair service, air conditioning installation, new furnace installation, mechanical zone system and maintenance plans. Areas served include Durham, Raleigh, Cary, Apex, Morrisville, Chapel Hill, Hillsborough and Research Triangle Park. Their motto is, "We understand that each job needs to be our best and we are only as good as our last job." We thrive by working in your comfort zone. Alternative Air is offering a new customer discount. 21-point inspection and diagnostic of your heating or air conditioning system, for only $69.95. Alternative Air is owned by Scott Brennan, and their telephone is 919-404-9040. You can see videos and check out their website at alternativeair.com.